Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to clean up your CSS with one trick, that is Cube CSS. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Tired of bloated style sheets, repeated class names and important battles? This one CSS mindset can transform your messy code into clean, scalable styles. What is Cube CSS? Cube stands for composition, reuse base styles via simple classes like dot button. Utilities: use small single purpose utility classes like background, like text, small to tweaks. Blocks: modular, reusable base components. Exceptions: handle edge cases or overrides separately. So let's take an example that we have a button. Define a base block style for the button. So this is the button. Okay, let me open this with our visual code. Okay, is there any HTML? Yeah, there is HTML. So I'm going to add this button over here. Sorry, there would be style. No, there is no style. So let's add this style. So here I'm going to add the style. Okay, so button we have added, right? And after this is gonna be like your variable. Okay, so you can define the variable and can use it. Okay, so this is the define the base block and make it dynamic everywhere because you have to use it, so make sure that should be clean, neat. So this is the base button never changes. Okay, so whenever we have a button, so it will never change. We have the same properties for all over the buttons all over in the CSS, right? So it never changes, right? So add utility classes, use utility classes to tweak look fill without modifying the original component, like you background red, you text small font size like this. So compose that in an HTML like this. Okay, so this is would be the button. So here I'm going to just add this button. Okay, and here no need dot red button dot delete final dot button final. Okay, so this kind of it's like not useful. Okay, so handle exceptions separately, like if I want to add the red border, so it could be like button danger. Okay, so I can add the I need to handle it separately, right? So you can add like this. Okay, so use this only when it doesn't fit the utilities. Okay, so why it works: stop rewriting CSS for every variation. Customize fast without digging into the giant style sheet. Stay dry. Don't repeat yourself and organized. Bonus: create your own utility layer. No tailwind needed. Like this kind of utility you can create and use it. Final thoughts: Cube CSS is not a framework, it's a strategy. Composable, maintainable, and the scalable. You don't need to memorize dot block element modifier, just compose and move on. So I hope you understand how you can make it your CSS neat, clean and concise. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.